Hi, we're Glasspirits.
So that was Charlize by Glasspirits, who's on KDHR.net.
Yeah.
Skyrocketed DJ Rex. Oh boy!
Check,
we were talking. Yeah, you guys are live. We already checked the mics many times, and they're working very well.
Okay.
Very high quality, great mics, and they don't really amplify that. Like they don't over amplify that often. Like
Okay, now I
don't
hear
like
myself.
dissing KCTY, but one of the problems there was that like the microphones did over amplify easily.
Okay.
These ones, they keep it pretty. I mean, you have to scream pretty loud to get these over amplified.
Yeah.
But yeah, so like, what's a little history behind that song? What's that song's message?
It's about. Geez.
Just be honest, that one's a little off the wall.
I would say it's about jealousy, seduction in a club. That's all I'm gonna say.
Huh.
Yeah.
So just let the listeners have their
yes.
impression of it. Okay.
Yeah, so they can put whatever meaning they want into that song.
Oh, really?
Listen to the lyrics.
So it's like an interactive music.
Yes, choose your own adventure.
Choose your own adventure
Choose
song.
your own lesbian adventure.
Well, that kind of narrows it down.
Yep.
Unless we have people that identify males that identify females.
Yeah.
They could be lesbians. Okay, I don't know where I'm going with that. Disclaimer, please. Segueing from that, is there going to be a music video behind that? I see like there's a third music video in December as well, on the 17th.
Yes, that's for Charlize, and I believe you saw that music video, like a draft of it in music video class. It's the one with like a bunch of effects, but it was kind of a mess. It wasn't finished yet, so but I had to turn something in and show something, so that was that. But it's going to be very different by the time it's done.
It's still in progress.
Yes, still in progress.
By how much percentage do you think is done?
When I showed it in class, it was probably like 50% done.
Oh,
but
boy.
I mean, it was, it still had like a lot of things. So it was in the professor's eyes, or maybe most people in that class, it seemed pretty complete.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
That's good.
It seemed ambitious, I guess.
That's good.
Yeah.
And it seems like most of these music videos are going to be appearing on YouTube at 9 a.m. on these days?
Yeah, because I'm trying to... well, that's when they'll premiere, but then it'll be available for people to watch at any time after that.
Oh, I see.
Because Sunday afternoons are supposedly the times when people are the most busy on the internet. So I guess that's a good.
I myself can confirm that.
Yes.
My days off are on Sundays.
Yes.
And I'm browsing the net on there.
Yeah. So that's a good time to do it, and it's also compatible for my cousins in the Philippines to watch it. It'll be midnight the next day. So
nice. And it says right here in 2018 there's going to be a documentary called Spirits Unbroken.
Yes, that's the working title. Basically,
is there going to be like a whole set and studio behind this, producers?
Oh no, I mean it's self-produced. So
Oh.
it's basically like our story, a little bit about us. A little bit about our backgrounds, and I just have so much B-roll and behind-the-scenes footage of our band making the album. We vlog a lot, so it's like, wow, I have enough to just make a documentary. So I interviewed our friends that are professional musicians or people in the industry. I'm going to be interviewing Eric Nora as well.
Nice.
Just all kinds of people that have something good to say, and just make a documentary about that and how we are going to try to make it in this YouTube world.
Well, is this going to be part of the documentary as well?
Yeah, it can appear.
All right. Yeah. Well, if you could use a good soundbite of me, this is Spirits Unbroken. You're listening to Ska Rocket with DJ Rex, and we have Glasspirits on right now.
Woo, that sounds great.
That sounds great.
Yeah.
Oh,
that didn't
boy.
sound so great. No, just kidding.
I didn't.
Yeah.
Ew. Don't put that in, because then people are gonna hear my voice like, yeah, Ska Rocket now, I'll turn that off.
No, yeah. Thanks. You'll appear in it. So.
Nice. All right, cool. And
you want to see us live, track us on bandsintown.com. If you like our content, leave a comment, subscribe, like, follow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Tell us in the comments what you're going to do. How are you going to make it?
There'll be times when my crimes will seem almost unforgivable. I give in to sin because you have to make this life livable. But when you think I've had enough from your sea of love, I'll take more.